All right, so today we combine two really easy and cheap sources of protein. 1, eggs, and 2, tuna. They might not sound like they go together, but I promise you after this recipe, you'll never think that again. So let's just jump right into it. Start with 5 large eggs and mix those together with 1/4 cup of milk or milk substitute. Once mixed, take out a stovetop pan from your burner on medium heat, coat it with some nonstick cooking spray and pour your eggs in. Sprinkle on a little black pepper, then take out a bowl for your tuna mix. To that bowl, add 1 can of drained tuna, 4 tablespoons of fat-free cream cheese, 1/2 cup your choice cheese, 6 tablespoons fat-free sour cream, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of dill weed, 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic. Mix those together until it looks like this and take that over to your eggs. When your eggs move together, go ahead and spoon your tuna mix onto one side of it. Flip half of your eggs over after you've spooned it all on, throw your cover on the pan, let it cook for a few minutes.